guys, welcome back to me talking about the one and only thing we all love, money. In today's video, I want to share with you how you can share your writing skills to earn money online. But before you dive right in, please don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, Listversecom. This website posts top 10s of anything. They hire writers and pay you $100 for every article accepted. You get to write things like top 10 scariest animals, top 10 shocking controversies, etc. You can come up with any topic and you have to write top 10 about that particular topic. It has to be something interesting enough, not something common or widely known. This is not a normal blog, but a blog for people who are interested in weird things. You don't have to be an expert or provide proof that you have written before. You also don't have to be an English native, but your English must be equal to that of a native. Since they focus on posting uncommon facts, you are required to have some personality and a sense of humor to spice up your articles. If you enjoy writing, this usually comes off naturally. You don't have to think hard. There are rules you need to follow when writing an article for listing. You must make sure that each item of the top 10 has 1 or 2 paragraphs, and you must link to repeatable sources. Let's say, for instance, you are writing an article about the top 10 tiniest yet scariest animals in 2021. Of course, you can't know everything. You're definitely gonna do some research. When writing your own article using the knowledge you gathered from different reliable blogs or papers, you should link those articles. Be careful not to copy other articles. You should always use your own words, even if the entire article is based on facts you read somewhere. You must never at any point submit other people's articles or change a few things and submit. It will not work. Remember, these online companies offering opportunities to earn online are not stupid. You must be bringing some value. When submitting your articles, you don't have to worry about pictures or videos supporting your article. They do that themselves because they want to find the best suitable pictures of high quality. If you are not into blogging, you may be wondering, but how does this company make money if they are paying you so much for one article? It's good to ask questions. Asking such questions and using your brain to figure out how a business model works can save you from a lot of online scams. If something doesn't make sense, you should stay away from it. Listverse gets more than 3 million visitors per month, and in every article they publish, they put multiple ads. When readers are reading all these interesting facts about different things, ads pop up and Listverse get paid from those ads displays. The $100 that are paying you is nothing compared to what they make on average. If you love writing, I really urge you to submit your listings. Some of you are so creative and you can utilize your talent to earn some extra money. There is no limit to how many articles you can send in or potentially get paid for. You can make $100 once a month or multiple times a week. Of course, it's not every article you're gonna submit that will be accepted, but I have an idea how you can at least get something out of your rejected articles. If you are really into writing and submitting multiple listings every now and then, I suggest you create your blog on the side and post all the listings that are rejected. Remember, your listing being rejected doesn't mean that it's not good enough. It may be that they already have similar content. The benefit of having a blog in this scenario is you will get free traffic from Listverse. When submitting a listing, you are allowed to link your blog at the end of each article, and they will publish your article with your link. If people enjoy reading your articles on Listverse, they will click on your link and visit your blog to read more of your work. You can have ads displayed on your blog, and there are no requirements for blogs. As you get more visitors, you can switch to better companies such as Mediavine. They pay better per ad display as opposed to Google AdSense. And in case you do want to start your own blog, I will leave the link down below. There is so much money to be made online doing something as simple as writing. Maybe not simple if you don't enjoy it, but if you love writing or you are currently writing for free, you may want to check this out. Unfortunately, Listverse doesn't hire globally. As you can see here, they only take articles or listings from US, UK, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, Australia, and South Africa. But if you're not from any of these countries, don't worry, because I got more sites that hire almost everywhere. Number 2, Listbeth.com. This is an online magazine that focuses on feminism, innovation, enterprise, critiques of policies and systems that drive inequality. They publish 2 to 5 articles every 3rd week of the month, but they take more articles because they plan their content 3 months in advance. They don't accept previously published work, even if it's from your own blog. Some of the stories that have been written include topics like feminism and climate change activism, resilience, mental health, working from the heart, post-capitalism, etc. This may not be everyone's cup of tea, but I know some people are interested in such topics. And if that's you, you can go ahead and pitch your ideas or rather articles to this company. Should they reject your article, you can always repost it on your blog. The pay starts from $250 all the way to $2,000. They have a 1 to 5 scale that you should check out should you decide to apply. On average, they respond within 14 days, but sometimes faster depending on how many pitches they are receiving. Number 3, IncomeDairy.com. IncomeDairy is a bit different from other 2 sites. They are looking for experts, and by that, no certification is required, but you must have some proof of expertise. You can write for IncomeDairy if you're an expert in SEO, making money online, entrepreneurship, etc. They pay $200 per article and also offer people an opportunity to write for free if you're trying to build some credibility. They have a really good step-by-step articles if you want to increase the chances of being accepted. Number 4, NutriInspector.com. NutriInspector is a diet and weight loss blog. They publish informative articles around dieting and eating clean. You don't have to be a dietitian to write for them. You can write articles based on your own research. So this kind of website is perfect for people who are either on a weight loss journey because you'll be searching more, or people who are just interested in nutrition and related topics. As you can see here, they're currently looking for vegan research, weight loss guides, kitchen products reviews, recipes, etc. Since nutrition is such a sensitive topic and requires high level of inspection, you must make sure that your content is well researched. People take advices on the internet, so you don't want to mislead anyone. Article must be well structured, proper keyword is required, and it must be original content. They offer 3 pay rates. For informational article, you get paid $120 for 2,000 to 3,000 words. For how to guide, you get paid $120 to $180 per article. And finally, for product reviews, you get paid $60 per 1,000 words. You can also get free exposure, especially if you want to make writing your career. They publish a short bio under each article you write, and they also can add you on a separate author page with your biography and all your ever published articles. I understand that some people write for fun, but if you want to make money, I highly recommend that you check these companies out and also create your own blog on the side. And creating a blog is easy. All the links will be down below. You should check the description. If you have any questions regarding these companies or creating your own blog, you can always ask me here in the comment section, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll try to reply as soon as I can.